Blew up. Bo ne pobegno.
Daj maj pan, daj potaj. Maj pan se. Ale.
Ha?
Tak mes potaj, maj pan.
This was 5 minutes ago. I was out here when the trees were up 5 minutes ago. And now look. Five minutes.
Guys, what this one?
No.
I got it! Daddy, I got it!
Yeah, don't light the fire. Damn it. We couldn't have done that any better. Oh my god, if that tree falls over, there's trouble. Oh god, I'm worried about that tree. There it goes. That's bad. Yeah, look at that.
Is there anybody in there?
And this big ass tree broke last night. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the tree is split in half back there. And then it's another tree or branch going this direction. And this branch is coming this direction on me and my dad's car. This is my car. Look at that shit. This don't make no fucking sense. That's why I'm just thinking, looking at this car, like, alright, that car makes sense. It's this windy outside. You're telling me it's this windy outside. This is my dad's car. His sunroof is broken. This is how we just woke up. This is the broken part. He got 2 sunroofs. Yeah, this is really crazy. And like, what type of branches is like? Don't nobody want to touch that? Like.
Maybe you could.
God, it's tilting that way. Oh,
Oh, here she goes. Here she goes.
look at that. Here she goes, beauty! Bullseye.
Perfect.
Let's look how much holding wood there was.
Wow, the last little bit, huh?
No, yeah. Just like I said, a little bit here and a little bit there.
Is that what you wanted, Dave? Exactly where I needed it. Good job, Mitch.
All right, thank you. Thanks for the opportunity. It's a little risky.
Any chance I can get to get out of work, I'm into it.
I was gonna say, are you dogging your chores today? Yeah, I am.
So it appears that the tree grew out of an old tree that had fallen down, and or it might have been a seedling in a rotten tree. This is not a recommended way of cutting down trees. It's somewhat dangerous, and definitely not recommended. However, in order to get the nice flares on the trees, this is the way that I do it. So our next job is to cut this into the pieces that I need for this set of stairs. So I made some marks on the tree here where I'm going to cut. That way I know I've measured it out, I can check that I've got the whole right thing going on. And now I'm going to cut the tree. Okay, stay here, don't move.
It's not even moving.
You're breaking it, go ahead, easy.
It ain't gonna work.